Potato salad. I probably don't even need to introduce it. There must be 1,000 ways to make it, and today I'm showing you 2 of them. Let's start with the potatoes. Boil them in heavily salted water. Once they're fork tender, drain them and let them rest for 5 minutes. They'll be blazing hot. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and brush it generously with olive oil. Then, place the potatoes on the tray, leaving a few centimeters between each one. Now comes the fun part. Grab a cup, bowl, or anything flat and sturdy and smash those spuds into thick, flat discs. If they're sticking, just oil the bottom of your smashing tool. Next, give the smashed potatoes a proper olive oil massage and season well with salt and pepper. Slide them into a preheated oven at least 220 degrees Celsius, 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast until gorgeously golden and irresistibly crispy. Once done, remove them from the tray and cut into quarters. Or don't. Leave them big and rustic if that's your vibe. Now for version 1 of the potato salad. A fresh and zesty take. You'll need 1 finely chopped shallot, 1 large radish chopped, 1 cucumber, sliced lengthwise, de-seeded, and diced. A handful of chopped dill, parsley, and chives. For the dressing, 2 teaspoons of mayo, 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, the chopped herbs and shallot, 1 garlic clove, minced. Mix everything together into a creamy herb-packed dressing. Then toss in the cucumber, radish, and those crispy roasted potatoes. And bam! You've got a potato salad that's bursting with freshness and crunch. Now for the second version, rich, indulgent, and absolutely addictive. You'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs, bacon. Don't hold back. Seriously, there's nothing better than that crispy, salty bite of bacon in a salad. For the dressing, the yolks from those boiled eggs, 2 teaspoons of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of mayo, a pinch of pepper. Mash the yolks with a fork and stir in the sour cream, mayo, and pepper until smooth and creamy. Chop the egg whites into larger chunks. Toss them into the dressing along with crispy chopped bacon, a mix of cheeses, and those roasted potatoes. Mix it all together and season with salt and pepper if needed. This version is next-level indulgent, loaded with flavor, calories, and just the right kind of guilt. So, which version of potato salad stole your heart? Let me know in the comments. Or share how you make your signature potato salad. I'd love to hear it. Bon appétit and see you in the next delicious episode.